Okay, ladies, you guys know what time it is when you see this green background. These are dating profiles. And, I always say dating tips and tricks for these people, but these people are irredeemable. But we're still just going to look at some of these profiles. This is your warning. Today's profiles are extremely dusty. They will aggravate your sinuses, your asthma, your bronchitis, your emphysema. You will catch some kind of sneezing fit. So, y'all, we got some seasoned dustiness, like some Lowry's or some McCormick or something. This is Ron. He's 54. He says he's looking for friendship. He says women only. WTF. Y'all N words don't understand. I love women only. Damn. I'm 6'2", 310 pounds of grown man. No time for games. PS. Everybody is up here looking for Mr. and Mrs. Right. Good luck with that because at our age, we all have a story. So while y'all are waiting, your asses are getting old. A lot of y'all women keep saying you don't want to hook up or an sex buddy. Y'all should be glad someone wants to sleep with you, especially the way some of y'all look. Some of the women are selling cat up here that nobody wants. 100, 100. He's in New York, New York. 6'2". He never smokes and he does have kids. Like I said, seasoned dustiness. Seasoned. It's just so solidified that he could not get it out. It was just aggressive. There's no tips that I have for this man because he is 54 and irredeemable at this point, like I said early on. But why must they be so aggressive? Like why? Like what what would make anyone swipe and say, you know what, that's who I want to connect with? Just off looks, off of just what he's about. He's just like, man, I have got to get to know this man better. There's nothing that's just like, let me just try. Let me try. But you guys can go ahead and weigh in on Ron, who's 54, 310 pounds of grown man. Okay, now we got Reefa. He's 37. Reefa, who's 37 out of Georgia. And y'all know that we have been seeing some real gems out of Georgia. And I'll just let you guys take in those pants and that sock and shoe combination until I reveal. He says, keep your games, lies, and cat. Give me your time, attention, and loyalty. Simple. All others F off. Shaking my head. Y'all don't pay attention. I'm not here to play games, so don't play with me. I want a wife family trips, not talking on the phone for weeks with none of y'all. If you don't have time to date, don't bother me. If you still broken, don't bother me. If you're not comfortable with the man showing interest in you and can't handle it, don't bother me. If I don't like it, don't like my stuff if you're not going to respond. I don't give an F. Aggressive. Aggressive. Not a lit. I mean, he does throw a couple of periods in there, but what's up with these run-on sentences? He says, if you don't have time to date, don't bother me. If you're still broken, don't bother me. If you're not comfortable with the man showing his interest in you and can't handle it, don't bother me. Why are you so mad, Reefa? This is probably why he mad, y'all. This is probably why he mad. Now, another picture, another two pictures. This bottom picture, I cannot make heads or tails of. I do not know what is going on in that second picture. But how you gonna be this aggressive and audacious and then look like you look like just someone like create a chart and make this make sense because I just do not understand. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, he's a plumber and he occasionally smokes. And he put here that he does have a grad school degree. He did put that there. I don't know what grad school, and I am not here to analyze that. So we're just going to have to roll with it. But regardless, this is Reefa. He's 37 out of Georgia. Then we got Joshua. He's 40 and he's looking for friendship. This is what he says. Are we matching or just swiping? 72-hour rule in effect. Not here for the games or the follows. We grown and I carry myself in such a manner. If you're brave enough, then we will exchange numbers. Otherwise, stay tuned. I'm retired military. Despite the negative reputation most military men have, I'm not or ever have been in that category. I'm well mannered. healed together, or whatever your definition of it is. Effort. Effort with 3 exclamation points. Okay, meet Joshua. Look at those sensitive eyes. Look at how he's gazing lovingly, longingly into the camera. Okay, he's in Georgia. He's in College Park, Georgia. 5'6". He does have kids, a college degree, and look at him, man. He is just looking at us intelligently right here, showing that he has a college degree. Now, I believe this is probably his sensitive look. I'm not sure. You guys go ahead and weigh in what you think this bottom look is. I'm feeling the sensitivity. He's just displaying, but he's not here for the games, y'all. He's healed and he is ready to get it together. He is military and he is not like those other military men. Do not let that reputation pull over to him because he is not that way. So y'all weigh in on Joshua. Now we have Carl, who's 25. And whoever posted this screenshot, it says about Carl could be a good match, but he doesn't meet all your preferences. Okay, let's talk about Carl. What did he type? He says, like going to the beach and like going places and watch movies and play basketball sometime. No broke bees around me. Like independent woman. Don't waste my time. I don't like fake people around me. I win by myself. No Bork women around me. Don't waste my time if you don't want no relationship. Don't waste my time. BICTH. Bork bees. This app is a waste of time. I only date women 100%. Family, no fake. Lord. No fake bees around me. Y'all get it? No fake bees. No broke bees. Bork bees. Okay. This is Carl. Meet Carl. Carl has man, his chain collection is quite extensive. Look at all those chains. Man, when you are this, whoo, that's the reason why he said he can't have no fake bees and no Bork bees around him because look at him as a cat. All them chains, all them rings on his fingers. I don't know how he probably got more chains and rings than he do teeth by the looks of how he keeps his mouth. But you know, man, that's why he don't want no fake bees, no Bork bees either. I'm wondering what his hairline looks like though with these hats because the hats that got me a little bit concerned. Carl, who's 25 and doesn't meet this woman's preferences, seems a little aggressive. Could have used a lot of hooked on phonics some time back in school, maybe being held back for 2 to 3 grades before being released out into the wild as such. And yeah, I honestly though think that this is the perfect profile. Just leave it just like this, Carl. Now, I'm just going to add a trigger warning, its own trigger warning, because this profile is very aggressive. There's not a whole lot of words to it, but the pictures are just aggressive. Walter, the Balter. He's 37. What is the Balter? I don't know, but this picture just screams aggression. And when they take these types of pictures, what are you looking for? A woman? What kind of woman are you going to, ladies? If you think that Walter the Balter is a catch, please raise your hand and explain. He says that he's a film director and his education is, I guess this is what the lonely, unwanted people do. He says he's a film director, art thug, 37, no kids, Black Tahoe, philosophy, the Bible, wealth, fitness, island food, smoothies, film production, IG, Walter the Balter. I don't want your Snapchat. I don't even want to meet a woman on the app. I am not your average mortal. Okay, he's not here to meet women. He's here for dudes, I guess. He says, my biggest flex, these nuts. No kids, wigs, fake eyelashes, skanky clothes, no single mothers or masculine women or female rappers. The female rappers part was very specific, so no female rappers, y'all. Y'all go ahead and weigh in on all of these. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.